Today the YHDM580B5 High Precision Double Disc Grinder is here for its testing. Has it and it's ready for delivery. It handles parts from E15 to E120mm in diameter and 10 to 50mm thick. Gears, bearings, and valve plates are all part of the job. Today's test piece is a differential planetary gear. The requirements are shown on screen. Let's see how this candidate performs. The test begins. First question, machine set up. Adjust the angle and set the grinding parameters. Align the workpiece with accuracy within 0.005mm. Install the fixtures and secure positioning. Dress the CBN wheel. A sharp tool makes a smooth test. Measure and record the initial data. Set wheel speed feed rate and grinding allowance. Everything is ready. Grinding starts on both faces at the same time. Test complete. Now it's time for grading. Grinding is finished. Let's check the results. Required size 38.65 to 38.70mm. Measured result 38.69mm. Pass. Flatness requirements is less than or equal to 0.005mm. Measured 0.002mm. Excellent. Parallelism, the key challenge. Requirements is less than or equal to 0.005mm. Measured 0.003mm. YHDM580B5 has passed its pre-acceptance test for differential planetary gear grinding with a perfect score.